Hello everyone and welcome back to Babs Hockey. So today I want to go through a video tutorial on how you can get your shift on my website and get a free analysis. So when you're watching your son or daughter playing and you want to tape the shift, you pull your phone out and you go into video mode, and we recommend you going to landscape mode. What that means is just turning your phone horizontally. This way you can see a majority of the ice while still focusing on the player. So one shift is as soon as they get on the ice, you'll follow them around. Again, still seeing most of the play, but again, focusing more on them. And then once they're done their shift, they'll come off the ice, and then that's when the video will be over. Go to www.babshockey.com. Once you get on there, you're going to scroll down to the free analysis trial, and you'll see a video drop off. You'll put in your name, age group, position, and email, and then you'll scroll down to the video section and you'll see an attach file button. You will click that, hit the select files to upload, go to your photo library, and there you can click the shift that you just taped just recently, the night before, or from coming home. You'll click that video, and once you click that, you'll click done, upload, and then I'll get that shift. Once I get that shift, I'll analyze it, break it down, set a plan for you to adjust either a tactic or skill that I observed that can really skyrocket your game and show some quick improvements. Then I'll email you the full breakdown that'll be yours to keep, and then give you an action plan on what we can do moving forward to get your game to that next level.